Hi beauties, so I'm so excited to come on here and show what I'm gonna be trying on my face. So it's wash day for my hair, but since I'm letting it dry for a bit before I moisturize, I'm gonna be trying the skincare products that are from Morocco, and they're blue and they are organic. I'm so amazed. This is a naturally blue powder. I'm going to mix. This is like powder. Oops, I accidentally spilled some, but team no waste. I picked some up, put it back, and moving on. I mixed a little bit of water for the application on my face. Let's use my brush, but it's too big. Ooh. I love this. Ooh. Use my brush. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I'm obsessed with this face mask. It just makes me happy to put it on my face. Okay. So this helps reduce dark spots and signs of aging. It is anti-wrinkle and it rejuvenates the skin. So it's been 5 minutes and it's dried up already. So I'm gonna have to wash it off. I'm gonna just use a cotton pad to remove this. I love how my face feels right now. It's so smooth and so clear. I love it very much. There is a bit of blue residue left that comes off easily with face toner or a wet cloth. This is the powder mask. This is the soap. So I'm going to wash my face with the soap and then do the face mask. Ooh, this is the Nila Bleu soap. It doesn't have a scent, but it's so soft and creamy. Scrub off. For the mixture, it depends on the consistency. If you want it thick or runny, I added about a teaspoon and a few drops of water for this batch. I absolutely love this face mask. I can see the difference it makes with how my face looks and feels afterward. It looks clear, fresh, and soft and brightened. So I'm so excited because I am going to be trying this Nila Bleu organic blue powder mask on my typhoid hair. So usually I use it as a face mask, but I decided to try it on my hair and see how it feels. So I'm gonna make a mixture with this and try it. So let's do it. For the ingredients, I'm using my Nila Bleu clay powder, Greek yogurt, and argan oil. Alrighty, so I will be incorporating all the ingredients together for a mixture. Greek yogurt is an ingredient that helps with blood flow to your scalp and promotes hair growth. Its creamy consistency and high protein content provides great conditioning for dry and damaged hair and therefore works as a great base for hair masks. Argan oil is high in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E, which help to hydrate and soften hair. This unique naturally indigo powder, Nila Bleu, has been used in the production of beauty products for hair and skin alike. It has brightening, moisturizing, and softening properties. So here I mixed for a bit until the consistency was smooth and creamy. And then I added 3 drops of lavender essential oil to give it a nice scent. And I like the consistency of my mixture. It is thick and creamy, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my washed hair. I washed my hair the night before, so my hair and scalp is clean. And here you can see my hair is dry, so I'm applying the product on dry hair. So the first batch I mixed, there's only a little bit, so I'm gonna mix another set for the other side of my hair. Luckily, I still have one more of the Greek yogurt. So, okay, I'm gonna mix this. Look at the definition it gave my hair. Minutes later. My hair feels so moisturized. My keys are looking juicy. Okay, time to wash this off. My hair feels so soft. It's really soft, like I just deep conditioned it. And my coils are defined. I really love how my hair feels. So I'm gonna try and detangle my hair. Separate section. It's really moisturized. My hair is just so soft. Like I don't have to detangle my hair with like a conditioner. Feels, and the fact that detangling is just, it just feels really nice. You see how my hair is just detangled very quickly. Like my hair feels so super soft. I think it's because of the organic oil and also the Nila Bleu clay. So, oh my goodness, this is gonna be go-to mask for me until I finish it. I was loving using it on my face, but I love it more on my hair. Doesn't have any weird smell or something. It does smell like lavender, which I really love. So I will definitely be using this again. So my hair actually smells like lavender because I put 2 to 3 drops of the lavender essential oil
to my mixture. My hair doesn't have any residue of the glue, so I really love it. My hair is so soft and it feels really moisturized, and I think the combination of the argan oil and the Nila Bleu powder clay work really nice together, and it's so moisturizing to my hair. So let me know if you have tried this before, or the Nila Bleu clay before, and how you liked it, or if you will try this if you get a chance.
I got done with the hair mask around midnight, so I didn't get to wash my hair with shampoo yet, which is necessary just like when we do hot oil treatments, because my hair does feel oily. So this is the next day and I absolutely love the results with my hair mask with this Nila Bleu mixture.